Hello everyone, this is Jagjit Singh panesar from HSP Construction. Welcome to my channel, and this video will demonstrate you how to cut a duct pipe. And I think this is the easiest and fastest way to cut the duct pipe, and without any getting cut on your hand. Just grab a grinder with the metal blade and mark the measurement where you want to cut it, and just follow the line, follow the mark, and keep going, and keep rotating your duct pipe. And here I'm having a trouble with my grinder. I know it's pretty much old. I need to change that now. And another important thing, when you use grinder with a metal blade, again, use the safety glasses. Those are essential, guys. You cannot work with anything you're cutting metal without glasses. You can't. You have to wear the glasses, please. And just keep following your mark, and you will have your duct cut. Thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share, please. Thank you very much.